Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing essential resources fast. You need tools and a safe spot. First, grab one pickaxe and one shovel, then collect 20 wood and 10 stone so you can craft a workbench. Once done, place 3 torches to prevent night spawns. Lighting matters. Make a crude shelter immediately. It prevents losing progress. These steps set a steady economy and reduce downtime, so you can push into resource loops without constant respawn losses. You expand by upgrading tools and creating repeatable systems. This is where efficiency compounds. Start stone tools and craft a chest to centralize loot. Organization saves time. Next, establish a 3x3 farm plot and a small cooking station so you convert raw food to consistent health regen. Once those are stable, mine for coal and iron to craft stronger gear, and add a defensive wall or pit to hold off mobs. These middle steps turn survival into sustainable progress. You finish by solidifying safety and resource flow so you can play creatively without constant fear. Craft armor and weapons, then set a secondary base point or bed to reduce long runs. Scout and clear nearby caves to unlock high-value ore and rare drops, but make sure to light paths and mark exits. If things go wrong, lost items, repeated deaths, retrace the last 5 actions. Check tools, replenish torches, and verify storage. That quick audit usually reveals the single fix you need.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.